How to make Pinterest account public. A public profile on Pinterest allows its users to connect with larger communities that share similar interests. This way, you can follow new trends and always discover fresh ideas. Let's get started. Open the Pinterest application. Access your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Among the options provided in the menu, choose the Profile Visibility option. Currently, my profile is set to private. To make it public, click on the button next to it. If you want to make it private again, the process is the same. Click on the button next to it. A window will appear asking you to review your followers. Click on Review. Here, you will see a list of your followers. If you want to remove or block a follower, click on the three dots next to their profile name. Then, choose the desired option Remove to delete from your friends list or Block to block the profile. I will skip this step and click on Close. That completes the entire process. Like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.